Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to link your Instagram and Facebook. Before getting started, make sure your Instagram account is the business version. It's free to use and comes with a lot of audience insight unavailable for a standard user account. If you haven't turned your profile into business yet, you can do that from the Instagram settings. Via Instagram mobile app, open your Instagram business profile page and click Edit Profile. Under Public Business Information, click Page and choose Create Facebook Page or Connect an existing page. Typically, you'd pick to connect an existing one. From the list, choose the page that you'd like to connect or select Create a new Facebook page. Then, tap Done after you finish, and your Instagram business account is now connected to a Facebook page. Via Facebook page settings, on Facebook, click your account profile photo in the top right. Click See All Profiles, then select the page that you'd like to connect with Instagram. Click your page's profile picture in the top right of Facebook and select Settings and Privacy. Then, click Settings. In the left menu, choose Link Accounts and then click Instagram. Click Connect Account and follow the instruction to connect your Facebook page and Instagram business account. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another videos.